This is the building where I work. That is the building where I work. These youngsters are known to me. Those youngsters are known to me. Can you spot the difference in these sentences? Let's understand the difference, which is of distance. This is pronoun and is used for identifying one specific person or thing that is being indicated or experienced close at hand. These is the plural form of this and is used for more than one person or thing. One thing we need to remember with this and these is that both are used to identify things or persons that are near or close to us. Now, that and those both are pronouns. That is used to identify single person or thing that is at quite a distance. Those is the plural form of that and is used for identifying more than one person or thing which is at a distance or far away from us. Let's understand this with the help of some examples. This road will lead us to our destination. That road will lead us to our destination. These are the members who want to attend the meeting. Those are the members who want to attend the meeting. Always remember, this and these are used for persons or things that are close to us, and that and those for persons or things that are far away from us. I hope you liked the grammar tip. I'll be back with you soon with some more tips. Till then, keep learning and keep improving. Goodbye.